Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to sign any documents using trackpad on your MacBook Pro. Whether you need to sign any contract, lease document, or any kind of legal documents, you need to sign. Now I give you a procedure you can do quickly and easily without having a sign or scan or print. All you need is your MacBook Pro with a trackpad and few simple steps. You need to create a sign and save your sign to a library, then place it any other documents. So let's get started. So step 1, open the document that you need to sign on your MacBook Pro. You can open it using preview. You can find it in right click. So that is preview. Okay, now when you open the document, you can see the markup button in the top right corner on your screen. It looks like a pen tip in a circle. From the list option, we have two options like sign and the camera. We can use camera as well. When we create a document signing camera on your camera, then it will be capture it like a sign. So choose how you want to create your sign. We can use for now it's trackpad. So as you can see, we can follow the instruction and sign your name on the trackpad. So I will try to write my name or signature, whatever called, in the signature trackpad. So I'm trying to. So okay, once you are happy with your signature, click done. Click any key to release. So your signature will now be saved your signature library. You can access by clicking signature again, select your saved signature. Place your signature in the document by clicking and dragging to the appropriate location, whether you want to sign exact location. Now save the document with your signature. And that's it. You successfully signed the document using your MacBook Pro trackpad. If you like my video, click the thumbs up button and share and subscribe if you want.